Irenaeus, writing in AD 180, makes a powerful and clear-cut argument about the authority and primacy of the Church of Rome in his work Against Heresies. He says, since, however, it would be very tedious in such a volume as this to reckon up the successions of all the churches, we do put to confusion all those who assemble in unauthorized meetings by indicating that tradition derived from the apostles of the very great, the very ancient and universally known church founded and organized at Rome by the two most glorious apostles, Peter and Paul. For it is a matter of necessity that every church should agree with this church on account of its pre-eminent authority, that is, the faithful everywhere. Now, the essence of Irenaeus' statement here is to affirm the unparalleled authority of the Church of Rome, rooted in its apostolic foundation by Peter and Paul. He's not just listing historical facts, he's establishing a principle of unity and orthodoxy that runs through the lifeblood of Christian tradition. Irenaeus is so pointing out that the true and apostolic tradition is preserved uniquely and continuously by the Church of Rome. And because of this, every other church must align with Rome's teaching due to its preeminent authority. Irenaeus isn't merely asserting a preference, he's laying out a necessity for unity, for coherence, and for fidelity to the teachings handed down directly from the apostles themselves. He's effectively saying that Rome stands as the benchmark, the measuring rod of true apostolic faith. This isn't about power. It's about preserving the integrity of the faith amidst a sea of unauthorized and often divergent interpretations and gatherings. Irenaeus confronts the problem of disunity and unauthorized teachings by highlighting the centrality of Rome as the keeper of apostolic tradition. He doesn't bother to list every succession of every church because ultimately it's the succession at Rome that provides the touchstone for true teaching. It's a statement that goes beyond mere historical lineage. It's about the living, breathing continuity of the faith as it was meant to be practiced and understood, rooted in the authority granted to Peter and Paul and preserved by their successors. So Irenaeus isn't just defending a point of view, he's defending the very heart of Christian unity and authenticity. He's reminding us that amidst all the noise and the fragmentation, there is a center, a rock-solid foundation anchored in Rome where the apostolic tradition remains unbroken and the true faith is kept intact.